How to pray Far, 2 rakat sunnah plus 2 rakat fard. Far prayer includes 2 rakat sunnah, highly recommended, and 2 rakat fard, obligatory. Step 1. Perform wudu, ablution. Make sure you are clean and in a state of wudu before beginning prayer. Step 2. Face the qibla and make intention. For sunnah. I intend to pray 2 units of sunnah of far for the sake of Allah. For fard. I intend to pray 2 units of fard for the sake of Allah. First rakat. Start by saying, Allah is the greatest. Opening supplication. Glory is to you, O Allah, and praise, blessed is your name, exalted is your majesty, and there is no God but you. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is for Allah, Lord of the worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Guide us on the straight path. The path of those who have received your grace, not the path of those who earned your anger or went astray. Recite any short surah, e.g., Surah Ikhlas. Say, He is Allah, the One. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born. Nor is there anyone equal to him. Bowing, ruku. Glory is to my Lord, the Most Great, repeat 3 times. Stand up from bowing and say, Allah hears the one who praises him. Our Lord, to you belongs all praise. First prostration, sajda. Glory is to my Lord, the Most High, repeat 3 times. Sit between the 2 prostrations and say, My Lord, forgive me. Second prostration. Repeat same as the first. Second rakat. Stand and repeat steps of recitation, Al-Fatiha plus another short surah, bowing, and prostration. After the second prostration, sit for final sitting, tashahhud. Tashahhud, testimony. All greetings, prayers, and goodness are for Allah. Peace be upon you, O Prophet, and the mercy and blessings of Allah. Peace be upon us and upon all the righteous servants of Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Durud, salutation upon the Prophet. O Allah, send peace upon Muhammad and upon the family of Muhammad. Just as you sent peace upon Ibrahim and the family of Ibrahim. Indeed, you are praiseworthy and glorious. O Allah, bless Muhammad and the family of Muhammad. Just as you blessed Ibrahim and the family of Ibrahim. Indeed, you are praiseworthy and glorious. Optional supplication, dua. Our Lord, grant us good in this world and good in the hereafter. And save us from the punishment of the fire. Ending the prayer. To the right. Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. To the left. Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. Make sure to be especially focused in the fard prayer, as it is one of the most important prayers in Islam. Best time. Far begins at true dawn, sub-Sadiq, and ends at sunrise. May Allah grant us the ability to offer Salah, prayer. It's an AI-generated voice. May Allah forgive me if it pronounce anything wrong.